Welcome, aviation enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore the top 10 facts about aviation. So, fasten your seatbelts and let's take off. Did you know that airplane wings are designed to create lift and defy gravity? The shape of the wings, called an airfoil, generates a pressure difference, allowing the plane to take flight. Air traffic controllers work tirelessly to ensure the safety and efficiency of air travel. They manage the flow of planes, communicate with pilots, and ensure proper spacing between aircraft. Ever wonder what those three-letter codes on your boarding pass stand for? They are International Air Transport Association (IATA) codes that represent specific airports worldwide. For example, JFK is New York's John F. Kennedy Airport. Despite its name, the black box is not black at all. It's actually bright orange. This device records crucial flight data and cockpit conversations, helping investigators determine the cause of accidents. The legendary World War I fighter pilot Manfred von Richthofen was famously known as the Red Baron. He was credited with 80 aerial victories before his death in 1918. Airline food has come a long way. In the early days of aviation, passengers were served gourmet meals on fine china. Today, meals are prepackaged due to logistics, but some airlines still offer delicious options. The longest non-stop commercial flight is currently operated by Singapore Airlines. The flight from Singapore to New York covers over 9,000 miles and takes approximately 18 hours. The Mile High Club is an unofficial term for individuals who engage in intimate activities on board an airplane. While it's not encouraged, some adventurous passengers have joined this exclusive club. Becoming a pilot requires rigorous training. Pilots spend countless hours in flight simulators, mastering various scenarios, and learning how to handle emergencies, ensuring passenger safety. Contrary to popular belief, flying is statistically safer than driving. Airplanes undergo rigorous maintenance checks, and pilots receive thorough training, making air travel one of the safest modes of transportation. And there you have it, the top 10 facts about aviation. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the world of flying. Until next time, blue skies and safe travels.